Today I'm going to show you some really cool cucumber tricks. And first I'm going to show you how to make this chain. Start by cutting off the end of the cucumber, then cut off some thick slices for as many chain links as you like. I cut 7. Next I'm using this corer to punch a hole in the middle of the slices. Then I'm using a knife to put in a cut into each piece like this. Now they're open, we can link them together and make our chain. Pretty cool, huh? And it looks great. For the next one, we need a length of cucumber. And I'm using the corer to punch a hole right down through the middle. Next I'm taking one of these long tomatoes and I pushed it down the hole into the cucumber. Now when we cut it, we get these really cool slices with tomato in the middle. They look amazing. And they're great for adding to a salad. For the next one, we need a length of cucumber which is about uniform in diameter. Take 2 skewers and place them one each side, like this. Then use your knife to slice up the cucumber. The skewers stop the blade from cutting all the way through. So we can now fan the cucumber out into this really cool donut shape, like this. Make sure there's no pieces stuck together. And there we go. It's a really cool display. For the next one, I'm slicing up half a cucumber, like this, and pushing a skewer straight up through, close to the edge. Cut off the end of the skewer. Then you can stand it up on its end and spiral out the pieces to give us this really cool effect. It looks great. For this one, I'm pushing a skewer straight through the middle. Then I'm using a knife blade, held at a slight angle, to make a spiral slice all the way down the end. Now you can stretch it out along the skewer. This one's dead simple to do and it looks really good. You can of course pull the skewer out and display it like that, or stand it up on its end and make a sort of coiled up spring. I've seen claims online that you can use a drinks can to spiralize a cucumber, so I wanted to give it a try. The idea is to put a slice in the base of the can, like this, and fold it open to make a cutting edge. Next we need to remove the top, so I used a can opener, which chewed it up a bit. So I tidied it up with scissors. This has obviously left a sharp edge, so I do need to be careful. So next we take our cucumber and start twisting it against the blade to cut our spiral. It started off quite well, but it snapped off and it does look a bit messy. I tried again. This time I got a longer piece, but it really isn't very neat. I tried holding it vertically and twisting the can to see if it would work any better. When I emptied it out, this is what I got. Hardly a spiral. It is cut very thin, so I tried adjusting the can to give us a thicker cut. It definitely is giving a thicker slice, but it did snap off again. It's quite fun trying this out, but for me it really didn't work very well. The spiral kept snapping, and it wasn't very neat. I would certainly recommend the skewer technique instead. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.